Right, time now for our Corporate Watch segment. And this week, we are profiling the Singapore-listed company, Sinwa. This company services the marine and offshore industry in Singapore, China and Australia. And despite the challenging economic times, Sinwa not only stayed afloat, but even made a record profit of over $11 million last year. Money Mind's Zhang Dingjun has more.
Mr. Mike Sim is the man at the helm of one of the region's leading marine supply and logistics companies, Sinwa. Back in the 1960s, Sinwa supplied provisions to Japanese fishing trawlers. But 40 years on, the company has grown into a $57 million business and even made a record profit last financial year.
We did 59.4% above the previous year. I think we ended the year with 15 million. Part of the contribution comes from the vessel chartering business, which turns in 62% increase over the previous year. And then we had contributions from Australia. Australia did extremely well. And of course, we still have our contributions from the Singapore side. The ship supply business saw a dip of something like 6.5%. But overall, it was a good year for us.
And 2010 looks set to be another year of positive growth for the company. Late last year, Sinwa secured a major strategic investor in Sinohit Offshore Engineering, a move which will allow Sinwa to strengthen its presence in China.
We are very pleased that Sinohit, is coming in with us. I believe there's a lot of synergy. Sinohit has got a very large presence in China, and they obviously will be able to expand, increase, and help us get more into the Chinese market, which is basically a very robust and extremely challenging market as well. So that's good. Then Sinohit with his marine yards, the shipyards, they would be able to build vessels, offshore vessels for us, and to help us foray deeper into the offshore markets as well. So I see excellent synergies there.
And Sinwa isn't stopping there. Aside from expanding their footprint in China, the company has other ambitious plans for growth this year.
One is the offshore market in Australia, particularly in Australia. The offshore market is very strong, which translates into their need for offshore supply vessels, or OSVs as we call them. On the Singapore side, the marine supply business will continue to grow. We are seeing an uplift now. The market is picking up. Although container vessels are still down, but I think other sectors like tankers, especially bulkers, are doing well. So we do see business picking up, and there should be increased business for this very sector. Also, we are looking at expansion into new markets, and currently our people are in Vietnam and looking at setting up a marine base at Vung Tau.
Sinwa is currently trading at a PE ratio of 9.1 with a price to book of 1.25.